Hi, I'm Ralph. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making homemade macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese is great, and this is going to be even greater than what you expect. Because what you expect are, typically you get that box, you boil up the noodles, you pour some of that powdered cheese on top. Yuck, come on. You can do so much better for your family. We're going to be using real cheese, real butter, and we're going to be doing it in a slow cook crock pot. Got some mild cheddar, starting out with butter. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the noodles into the crock pot here. Next, I've already melted some butter in here. Going to be putting in 2.5 cups of cheese that we're going to be melting up. Now I melted up that butter first because I wanted to kind of lubricate the bowl a little bit here, make it easier for it to pour out onto the noodles here in a moment. 2.5, each one's a cup, so I'm going to have to kind of eyeball this a little bit. Now you're going to put this into the microwave and you're going to watch it for about 30-second burst. So I'm going to start that right now, and we're going to be, kind of occasionally stirring it around. I think I'll take the big one. Okay, I'm back from the microwave. The cheese is looking very ooey gooey. A lot of grease and butter coming out. Take a little look at it right here. You can kind of see that butter and the grease coming from the cheese. Now, it's going to be time to pour that. That is like hot. All over our macaroni noodles. There we go. Next. Now, before I put the noodles in there, I sprayed the whole container with some avocado spray. Please don't use Pam because that just messes up all of your cookware and can actually be harmful to any kind of nonstick cookware that you might have. So this is just regular avocado oil with air to propel it. Now on top of that, I'm going to be adding some cream cheese. Now all the directions are going to hold all the proportions and everything down below. I have half a container of the 8-ounce size sour cream. Getting a little messy here. Got a little salt and pepper. I've got 1 can of cheddar cheese soup. One cup of whole milk. We're gonna get that all stirred up. And I'm gonna turn it on low heat. First turn it on, then hit low. And we're gonna be doing this for about the next 3 hours. Now this cheese is going to melt even more while it's in here, but I'm going to try to get it dispersed here a little bit. Now I may have to come back a little bit later, check on it, stir it up a little bit more, but this is going to be so awesome. Now, the great thing about doing it this way, when you do it with the box and the powdered cheese, you're limited to that. I could have used any cheese with this. I used mild cheddar. I could have used sharp cheddar. I could have used Colby Jack, a Mexican blend. There's all kinds of things that I could have done with this. Now, if you want to get real experimental, you could add little bacon bits to this. Or if you want to make it like a Southwest mac and cheese, you could add a little taco meat to it. So this can go anywhere from being a side dish to the main meal. It's looking pretty good mixed up. I will check on it periodically. And so for right now, gonna put the lid on it. We'll see y'all in about 3 hours. We're back. The 3-hour time limit is over, and we are ready to have some macaroni and cheese. It's looking really good. Now, be sure, as it's cooking, periodically just stop by, give it a couple of stirs, make sure the cheese is well blended in. Before you serve it, you might also kind of give it a good little turn over here. Again, just to make sure that everything is good and distributed. So let's give this a taste. Take a look at that. Is that nice? Let's see what it's like. That is awesome. That is so creamy, so cheesy. You can really sense the real cheddar cheese in that. It's marvelous. It really is. You've got to try this for your family. It's enough for a large family or leftovers, because this is gonna make great leftovers. So trust me on this. If you're liking the video, give me a like down below, maybe a subscription, and please send me your comments, because I love your comments. I get some of my best ideas from my viewers. So with that said, I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.